All right, let's go ahead and go inside. So as you can see, we've cleaned out all the trash that was on this first floor. This is where that kitchen table was, and the kitchen's back in here. Taking down this wall. This is all gonna have to be rewired, removed, because we're gonna take this wall out and open up this kitchen, give them more space, whoever buys this house. Just moving through the house, got all the trash out. You can actually see inside the closet. Oh, sorry. Got people working here. Cleaned the bathroom out, gotta get this tub out. This was just full of trash. That back bedroom here. So here's something interesting. These floors are still in really good shape. They're gonna need a few repairs as I can look around, but these are in really good shape. So we'll keep those, and it just adds character to the house. This closet's kind of wild, goes all the way through. So this house was built in 1942, so it has cool little things like this little alcove here, this little area. Let's go ahead and head downstairs. So this is getting gutted down here. So if you remember this back room, this was filled with that wood paneling. I couldn't even get back here based on all the stuff that was in here. It has some type of vinyl on the floor. Actually makes a fairly big room. Good sized closet back in here. What we're gonna do is probably wall this area off. This half this room a little bit here. And as you turn around to this area, we'll make this kind of a seating area with a TV. Just another place for people to go. Maybe keep this door off, maybe put a door on. But it's a pretty good room. We still need to do the ceilings down here. It's that plaster ceiling. Needs to come down, change that light out. Possibly change these egress windows because they're small. Get them up to code. As we move through, there's that extra bathroom that was here. Pull that out. We're gonna take this bathroom probably and angle it that direction. So all this galvanized pipe needs to come out, and the ceilings here need to come out. Took out these closets in the back. And here's that other room that we were into that was full of stuff. It's a good sized room. Make this another bedroom. Make this a 4-bedroom, 2-bath property. Has a nice good sized closet in it. Water shut off valve. Looks fairly new. Also, this one has storage under the stairs. A lot of room back inside there as well. So it's coming along pretty well. Pretty interesting when you clean all the stuff out, what type of property you have and what it can become. Pretty interesting. So that's it for now, guys. We will be back in a couple days and I'll show you the progress where we're at. We're still just putting stuff up and getting the property ready. Talk to you soon.